Go! 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 You're not dancing!
Go! 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 Go!
You're too sleepy to dance, I think.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
What does a cow say?
Mom.
What does a pig say? What does a sheep say? No, a sheep.
Bah.
What does a horsey say? What does an elephant say? What else?
Pig.
Pig. What does a pig say?
Oh, oh.
What does a doggy say? What's a doggy say?
This is.
What does a kitty say?
What does the chicken say?
Papa.
What does a duck say?
Kakak.
What does Karin say to Huey?
No, no.
Oh, no, you. What do you say when you answer the telephone?
Ding.
Hello?
Hello.
Say good morning.
Morning.
Say love you.
Hi, you.
Say yes.
Hi.
See ya.
Yeah.
Do you like looking at yourself? Who's this boy?
Mine.
Is that Mason?
Yeah.
Me.
We.
Uh-oh, ball. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Duck. Kakak.
You think you're a duck?
Can you say your numbers?
Yara.
Can you count?
1, 2,
1, 2. What's after 2?
cut,
3, 4. What are you doing there? Do you want to show me your fish?
yes,
Where's your fish? Okay, you can turn around now. Are these your fish? What are their names?
Mickey and Minnie.
How many fish do you have?
1, 2.
1, 2. 2 big ones and lots of babies. Can you show us where you sleep? Which one's your bed? Do you sleep in the crib? Here? Or do you sleep here?
I do.
Where at? Here?
Where do you sleep? Where's your bed?
Go sit on your bed.
How's your hat coming?
Mason sleeps on the big boy bed, right?
Are you a big boy?
Okay. See you, Mason.
Here.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Want your cup?